I enter silence and settle inward, where movement slows to still. Awareness rests on a simple truth that quietly fulfills. I exist, it pulls existence in. I move within a living field. Presence is not distant, it is something deeply real. If life is everywhere present, and it must be here as well. No, I separate, not divide. Spirit lives through my awareness. Must know we're not apart. The same essence fills the whole and animates each part. Difference is only in degree, never in kind or zone. The source and its expression are made of what is one. As this knowing grows clearer, concentration finds its truth. Thought gathers creative power through uninterrupted links. In this clarity I recognize the root of cause and form, the origin of harmony and conflict, the place where problems transform. I learned to think with courage, to stay with what I see. Attention becomes solution, as awareness stays with me. Inside